Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa UDMC na showroom. There are different rifles and I want to show you yung mga different firearms nila na available now for a quick video. So first off, nandito tayo sa UDMC Black Knight. This one's in 9mm. Yan. So very nice. Okay. So 2011 style pistol. So ganda talaga to, no? It feels really good in the hand. And then we're gonna move on to their S9 DBB. You can see over here. Yan. This one has yung bago niyang mag-release. Yan. And here it is, UDMC. And then if we look over here, we see something really different. Integrally suppressed S9 submachine gun. Actually F9 to dahil full auto siya. Yan. F9 submachine gun. Full auto. So select fire siya, guys. If you look over here, meron siyang thermal cover, yung shroud. Ayan, no. And yan yung tip niya. So very good submachine gun. Law enforcement and military only. Pero yun nga, hopefully guys, makakita na tayo ng magpa-proliferate ito in the future once na we get some improvements to the law. And then we also have yung F5 nila, full auto DMR. So you can see over here yan yung niya, rifle. So there you go, full auto iron sights. Meron din silang bayonet lug. So pwede mo kabitan ng bayonet. And then we also have itong S7 DMR. This one's got a thermal sight in front of the scope. Meron siyang detachable suppressor. Very nice. Ito siya. Really nice rifle. Wala siyang full auto, guys, but semi-auto DMR. So definitely their most high-end offering. Really cool. Already made a video about this before. So ito yung equivalent nila ng AR-10. And then we also have over here yung 5.56 nila na SBR. Okay. Yan siya. Full auto. F5. So full auto siya. And finally, ito yung 14. I think this one is the 14.5 inch nila. Okay. And if we look over here, ito siya. Full profile barrel. It's got the bayonet lug. So pwedeng kabitan ng bayonet to, guys. Ayan. F5 DJI. So again, may full auto. Select fire to. Law enforcement and military only. Okay? So guys, I just wanted to give you a very brief overview of UDMC weapons. Great show. Thanks for watching.